Okay, students, nice meeting you again for this morning in Maneka's explanation about IC listening. For the objectives of our study today, the first students can identify some basic vocabularies, commonplaces, preposition, and adverbs for giving direction. Secondly, students can imitate how to ask and give directions. Thirdly, students can listen to some conversation and native saying in giving direction. Fourth, students can do some exercises related to the audio of listening on giving direction. When you are in a country you don't know, you can easily get lost at some point during the trip, even if you have a map. So it is really useful to know how to ask for an understanding direction in English, so you can reach your destination. It is also great to be able to give direction yourself, tourists or foreign colleges. So, what words and phrases can help you give and ask for directions? Okay, first of all, you need to know some basic vocabulary, or the most important words and phrases are. Take a look on this box. Between, next to, behind, in front of, near, far, on the corner, left, right, straight, or on ahead. And then these are some common places that people visit in a city, such as the following expression: bank, post office, bus stop, museum, city center or downtown, subway station, and more. I will give you 4 examples for the statements of giving direction. These are the examples. Go along the street until you reach the traffic lights. You will see a bank on the left. It is about 2 blocks from here. I prefer going to the airport on the highway because it is faster. Now take a look at some preposition and adverbs that you can also help you when you are giving a direction. For example, like traffic light, crossroad, roundabout, street, avenue, highway, block, and channel. You can take a look at the definition on the box. And then Mameka will give you the example how to make a statement by using this expression, by using these words. 1. My office building is in front of the mall. Secondly, go straight down for about 1 kilometer. Third, a cinema is next to the bank. Now you are going to listen about some phrases or some questions here, some expression that you are going to use in asking for direction. Listen now.
Asking for directions. When you ask for directions, remember above all to be polite. So start by saying one of the following phrases. Hello. Can you help me, please? Good morning. May I ask for some help? Excuse me, could you help? Once you have someone's attention, you can ask for help to reach your destination. You can do that by using one of these phrases. Could you tell me how to get to the bank? Do you know where the museum is? We can find the subway station. Is it near here? Where can we find a park near here? If you're not sure you're going in the right direction, you can make sure by asking, are we on the right road to the city center? Is this the right way to the mall? What's the best way to get to the airport?
Asking somebody for directions. Questions you can ask about directions. 1. Can you please tell me how I can get to Oxford Street? 2. Where is the nearest supermarket? 3. How can I get to the local market? 4. I'm trying to get to Downing Street. 5. How do I get to the office? 6. What's the best way to get to your house next? 7. Where is MC Donald? Can you tell me please?
Then, after you listen about some expression of how to ask a direction, and now secondly, you will listen again about the giving direction. How to give directions expression. Listen now.
Giving direction. In the same way that you need to ask directions when you travel abroad, foreigners visiting your city might ask you directions. And what better way to practice English than to help them? Here are some common phrases you can use. Go past the cinema. Past the cinema. Go along this road. Go straight on, ahead. Stay on this road, don't turn. Go through the tunnel. At the roundabout, take the first exit. Turn left at the crossroads. Take the second right. It's on your left. You'll see it in front of you. It's on the other side of the road. You're going the wrong way.
How to give directions to somebody else. 1. Go straight on till you see the hospital, then turn left. 2. Turn back, you have gone past the turning. 3. Turn left when you see a roundabout. 4. Turn right at the end of the road and my house is number 67. 5. Cross the junction and keep going for about 1 mile. 6. Take the third road on the right and you will see the office on the right. 7. Take the third road on the right and you will see the shop on the left. 8. Take the second road on the left and you will see the house on the left. 9. Take the second road on the left and you will see the hospital straight ahead. 10. The hospital is opposite the railway station. 11. The shop is near the hospital. 12. The house is next to the local cricket ground. 13. The shop is in between the chemist and KFC. 14. At the end of the road you will see a roundabout. 15. At the corner of the road you will see red building. 16. Just around the corner is my house, you will need to stop quickly or you will miss it. 17. Go straight on at the traffic lights. 18. Turn right at the crossroads. 19. Follow the signposts for Manchester.
Okay student, this is my explanation about how to ask and how to give direction. So, I hope that you can learn much and then you can do the exercises here. Mamika will deliver about 2 audios here. The first audio is about true-false exercises related to the map given. Yeah, so you have to do the conversation.
Exercise 1. Pay attention on the map. Then, you will hear some audios on giving direction. You have to check the statement of the audio is true or false based on the map. Listen carefully. 1. The dry cleaners is between the museum and the supermarket. 2. The bus terminal is across from church. 3. The high school is on the corner of Pine Street and First Street. 4. The art gallery is in front of the stadium. 5. The mall is next to the supermarket. 6. The gym is on Grey Street. 7. The cafe is near the pharmacy. 8. The park is east of the river. 9. The pharmacy is on the corner of Sun Street and 3rd Street. 10. The sports club is behind the parking lot.
Exercise 2. Listen to the conversation below. Then write down on your note what are they saying? Excuse me, I'm sorry to trouble you, but could you tell me how I can get to the train station?
Yes, no problem, it's that way. Keeping walking straight ahead, then, after you pass the library you have to turn left. Then take your first right and it's across from the bus station. You cannot miss it.
Thank you so much. I have only been in Manchester for 2 days, so I don't know how to get anywhere yet.
Oh, I know that feeling. My husband and I moved here 6 months ago. And I still don't know how to find certain places. Manchester is so big.
So, just to double check. Keep walking straight ahead till I pass the library, then, I have to turn left and take the first right. Then it's across the bus station. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Well, thanks for helping me. I must go and catch my train. Hopefully I haven't missed it.
Okay, bye.
Okay student, this is my explanation. Thank you very much for your attention and see you again next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.